All of the successful YouTubers out there have correctly set up and customized their channel so it stands out and looks good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that and the parts that all come together to do it. And that's all coming up right now.
So here we are on my YouTube channel. So this video is all about setting up and customizing your YouTube channel for success. So all of the popular YouTubers, all of the successful YouTubers have nailed this, and they're constantly on top of it too, because there is updates that we all need to be aware of and considering, implementing as the years roll on. So this video is all about showing you all of those steps. Now, I will say, going back a few years, it was all a little bit clunky. YouTube were hiding a lot of these buttons. It wasn't overly easy, but it is now significantly easier because we now have this click customize channel button. And when we click on that, it then brings us to all the areas that we need to now activate. And when you do click on that, it brings you to the behind the scenes area of your YouTube channel. And it's these three buttons up the top: layout, branding, and basic info, that we now want to focus on. So if you're starting from scratch, the basic info is what you want to start first with. You're going to select your channel name, of course, and then it's going to ask you to select your own unique handle. Now, this is a newish feature that YouTube brought out about a year or so ago. It's just like all of the other social media platforms, and you can see my unique handle is www.youtube.com/@MarkWarnken. It's unique to me. Only one channel in the world can have that. So you're wanting to try and get your channel name or your own business name as your handle. Now, I've actually done a separate video on that. I'll put the link in the comments below, and you can run through that in a little bit more details. Add pronouns, which is very modern, but then the description area. So this is where you get to sort of tell the world a little bit about yourself. Add keywords, add industry, benefit statements, add all the links and website details and things like that that you want to, just like you would do on your Facebook page or any of your other social media platforms and or website. But watching mine and going through mine gives you a bit of examples. You get 1,000 character space. So take the time and effort to do that, because it's all about, giving yourself, ticking off all these 1%ers, giving you all these 1% chances to be successful. When you do set up, you do get a customized URL, but you can then change that so it's a customized YouTube handle. It sounds a little bit confusing, but I think most people in the modern world of social media have worked it all out. So links here you can add to your various other websites, landing pages, or social media platforms. Again, relatively easy to do that if you're wanting to cross-promote yourself across other social media platforms, and contact details, their email address. So this is the first one that you probably want to start nailing. It is pretty straightforward. As I say, we're 2024 now. Most of us are familiar with these type of things, but so many people still don't go to the time and effort to do this correctly. So once you've done that, we're going to click on the branding button, and this is where you get the opportunity to now change your profile image and your banner image. Now, if I click back to my channel, when someone lands on my channel, they're going to see the profile image of myself, and then the customize, the channel art, we call it here on YouTube, but the other platforms call it banner image or, that type of thing as well. But it all's the same. So with your profile image, for a lot of you, it's going to be a big smiley photo of yourself or, your corporate logo. This is the one you want to spend a little bit of time and effort on, though. Customizing your channel art with a benefit statement or, a product of your business and brand, that type of thing. Don't leave it blank, because again, it's branding that they give us right, front and center on our channel. And when people land on your channel, they're going to sort of have a look at this in your channel name, remembering all of that basic information that we did here. That is now hidden behind here. So when people click on the About button, they then get to see all of that customizable image. Remember the links that I showed you, that's where they are here. Shows you all of this particular details as well. So all of these things come into play before, a lot of people have possibly even watched your video. This will determine whether they're going to subscribe to your channel, start watching your channel, because they're going to be sort of looking to see, okay, does this interest me? And have I landed on the right space for what I'm looking for, that type of thing. To change your profile picture, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to click change and or remove the banner image, or banner image channel art. They're giving you the size that you need to look for, and you can even add a watermark there as well. So once you've nailed those two, and they are pretty straightforward, you're then going to click on the layout. And this is where you get to sort of customize the look of your channel. Just going back to mine, when people land on my channel, they're going to see the images here, and they're going to see this welcome video here, and these videos appearing, popular videos, and some playlists and shorts and things like that. How do we get all of this to appear? The good thing is, again, it's straightforward, and the good thing is you can actually rearrange the order of all of these as well. Let me go and show you how to do that by starting from here. So the first one I want you to focus on is your channel trailer video. So when someone lands on your channel for the first time and they're not subscribed, we get the option of including a welcome video or a channel trailer video. So I need to update this one because it's quite a few years old, but this is for anyone who's landed on my channel for the first time. They're going to hear me saying, hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. This channel is all about X, Y, Z. So you can actually record and upload a particular video, and it becomes your channel trailer video for people who haven't subscribed, and that's what they would then see. For people who have subscribed, when they appear on your channel again, this will change from your welcome video. You now get the opportunity to add a featured video. So you get the opportunity to add one of your more current videos for them to view, or you might have a promotional video that you're wanting them to watch, or a video to an event. And to change all of them, just over here on the left-hand side, you've got the three dots. You click change video, remove video. So these are key, and so many channels, while a lot of them do it, some of the smaller channels, when they're struggling for success or just starting, they don't go to this time and effort to do these basic things. And remembering, when someone lands on your channel, they're going to decide within seconds whether they like what they see, scroll down to start clicking and watching some of your videos, or they'll click off and the opportunity will be lost. So once we've nailed all of this top area with the featured video and the returning video, we now want to activate some of these sections to really bring your channel to life. When people land on your channel, they want to see that you have lots of content, and you just start here, featured section, you start adding a section, and away you go. So I've got up the top all of my videos in chronological order, going back in time. Then I have my popular videos. Then I have my shorts. Then I have my various playlists and things like that. So when people are landing on my channel, I'm giving them the option of maybe binge watching some of my content. You're wanting to hold people on your channel for as long as possible. You get to rearrange the order just by holding and bringing them up and down just like that. So when someone lands on your channel, they can see these particular videos. They then might be coming to watch a particular video in mind, or they might just start scrolling to see what your channel is all about. So that's why it's a good idea to start creating playlists as well, because you're wanting to try and hold people on your channel for as long as possible. Now, I do have a separate video, and I will be doing an updated video on how to create and set up playlists, but I'll put the links to my older videos in the comment in the bio below, and you'll be able to click on that and have a look. But all of these things are what we call best practices. Now, I've just fiddled around and changed something different. I'm going to click publish. I've just updated something behind the scenes, and that's how you would do it. It would tell you you've made a change, you want to publish the new change. And the change that I just made that you possibly didn't see was I just rearranged one of the sections with my shorts. I brought it higher up when people are on my channel and they're scrolling for the first time. So that's how simple it is to set up and customize your channel for the first time. What I'd like you to do is go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. While you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell icon as well. That way you'll get notified when any of my videos get released, which is always at least 1 a week, 4 to 5, 6 a month. That's what I'm doing as well. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know some of the ideas that you've implemented on your channel. I would love to hear your feedback. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123, signing off. Have a great day.